3 minutes, and you'll see as it goes through. These housings, the half sections are about 80 kilos for a 32-inch helping, so, you know, we want to get the people's hands and fingers away, so that's why there's winches that'll pick it up, set it down. It's also great for aligning pipe, you know, and straightening the pipe out. On this video, we took a little longer than we normally do, and that was because of the cribbing underneath, so you gotta take all the aspects into consideration. And you can see the guys are working out there. We've been able to reduce the amount of crew size to about 6 people. What we call 2 maestro mayores, which is the technical guys, 2 helpers, a health and safety guy, and the supervisor on site. So that's the crew that's required to assemble this, plus an operator on the excavator.
So as it relates to skilled labor, you have your operator, your inspector, and that's about it.
The last big boom in mining, we had issues with the rotation of welders, that we couldn't keep welders on site, so we were always having issues. And with this, we actually have gone into some projects and said, hey, I can use local unskilled community workers to assemble the joints. It's one of the benefits. Now, if you see there, you'll see the pipe move. The machine has movement in 3 axes, X, Y, and Z, so you're able to line it while we slide. And once you have it in position, we'll slide the gasket over and lower it down. These joints have to be torqued, and they're rigid joints. So we have the crew that'll come in, and there'll be 3 or 4 guys that'll button it up. Once it's joined, the machine moves forward. We'll have 2 guys in back with what's called high torque guns, and they'll bring it up to 1,500 pounds torque. What you did learn, one lesson learned is you gotta have a lot of batteries, because they would actually stop work, but they would run out of energy. So, but we learned from that, and we're moving forward. We were selected on this project because they have an environmental issue, is that we could only work in that area 4 months out of the year, because it was the other 8 months is nesting for some special birds. So we only had that window, so we were able to come in and do this quickly. We were putting together on this project, on average,